You see these nails? I did them myself. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ali, long time no see. So this video is going to be about this hair, this unit that I'm wearing. I was contacted by Black Shore Hair, and this is their company logo. I was contacted by them and they asked me if I can do a review for their hair. So I chose this beautiful hair. I think this is one of their mink collection. This hair is absolutely beautiful. This is probably the best hair I've ever had, and this hair is affordable for mink hair. Like, I don't even know where to begin. This hair is like butter right now. Whew. So this is obviously a wig. I made the wig myself. The company sent me 3 bundles of 24 inches and also a 22-inch 4x4 closure. So that is what I'm wearing right now. And for the color, I colored this hair myself, which I'm making a video on. I'm currently editing right now, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe and you stay tuned. But I just want to say, yo, this hair is like the best. It's the best hair ever. Usually I order like 3 different lengths. So like if I'm ordering 24 inches, I'll go 24, 22, and 20. But this time I was like, you know what, let me try the same length, and I do not regret it at all. Like, I don't know if it's because it's all the same length. Like, it has nice weight to it. Like, look at the shine and the bounce. And I bleached the hair, guys. I put a little bit of oil just to tame the flyaways. That's my only complaint about this hair. This closure has a lot of flyaways. So I put this Grow Long anti-breakage oil. That's why it's a little bit on the greasy side. So I decided to add a little bit of the oil, and the hair smells really nice. There's no tangling by the nape. But yeah, they also have a WhatsApp, one of the company owners, and he spoke perfect English, so that was a plus. Communication was amazing. In terms of shipping, they shipped via DHL, my favorite shipping distributor, I guess. Like, they're super fast, next to Amazon. Yeah, they're really fast, so I like that. It came in 3 business days. Okay, so even though I'm going to make a video about this, the way I made this wig is actually special. Because, okay, so you see how there's a closure here, right? I left my hair all around, and I laid the tracks in a way that if I can put this hair into a ponytail and it will be seamless. And I'm about to show you in like 1 second. Give me 2 seconds. And I am back with the ponytail. I decided to leave these pieces because I already made a parting. So this is the ponytail. As you can see, I put my hair up and it's laying pretty flat. My hair is quite short, so I can't really put it up in a really high. So this hair has minimal shedding, minimal tangling. Honestly, even though I bleached it, it's performing so well. It's honestly my favorite hair ever. So yeah, that's about it. Honestly, nothing but positive. Honestly, this is going to be my summer hair. Like, no joke, this is going to be my summer hair. I will do an update video. This is obviously an initial review. And also, I will be posting how I constructed this wig and also how I colored this wig. So I hope you guys subscribe and stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye.